Hello folks, this is Ben from Zerion Software. In this video I wanted to give you a sneak peek of our new drawing element. We are pretty far into the development on the Android side of things, so I just wanted to share kind of where we're at now. So if you open up the drawing element, the first thing you're going to see is a brand new sidebar here. This sidebar can be moved around the screen based on kind of what you're working through. So we've added a couple things here. We have our standard pencil tool. You can change the color how you wish. So like it's a red color in this one, we'll change it here. You can change the opacity of that, the size of that point, as well as the opacity, right? If you want it to be like somewhat see-through on here. We do have undo and redo buttons, as you just kind of saw there. We do have a text tool. So the text tool is pretty powerful. We just tap on the screen and type what you want. This is an issue, and it does pick up the colors, the text, and the fonts that you have defined on here as well. We do have a photo tool where you can take a new photo with your camera, for example, or you can utilize that as a background or an overlay image, or you can choose photos from your photo library. So here's just one I'm going to take from my library. I'll use it as an overlay image. Now, once I've added that object on the screen, I can move it around however I wish here. I can even do a rotation of that object, or I can resize it, right? So maybe if I want this photo to be a little bigger, I could resize it and move it right here. And you're going to see that functionality along with all the other types of things that we have in here. So the next one is our icons. So when you tap on any of these icons, it's going to activate the red X, right? So I'm going to maybe put X's where these issues are on the screen. Again, I can rotate those down here. I can resize them if I want, or I can again move those icons. Now, the last tool is a fairly new tool. It's called our Shapes tool, and it lets you make a variety of different shapes here. We support square, isosceles triangle, circle, and line at the moment, the filled and the outline variants. So if I would choose that, I could say, maybe this. So I could like circle it like this here. I could also add another one here. I can change the line point of that. You're going to see it's going to change dynamically in real time. If I do want to pick maybe and select like a line tool instead, I can go ahead and draw a line here, maybe another line here. So that's kind of how the drawing element's going to work here. And again, we can undo and redo things as requested. So we do have a couple more updates to go in this, but it's getting definitely close to the finish line. So if you have any comments, questions, please reach out to us.